is made by my wife.
Wow. Pagi ini isu iki bersama Pak Budi dan Hiyor. Andewe sarapan jagung, terus dikancani kambek kopi, kambek goreng kimpul. Iki aku mau njaput. Ya mau saitik tapi ora apa-apa. Kimpul goreng. Iki aku mau godhog isu.
Hari kedua Pak Budi dan George tak jak mlaku-mlaku ning mburi, dikancani kambek jagung godhog, kopi, ya andewe cerita-cerita, ngobrol-ngobrol sambil menikmati suasana isu. Lokasi iki pas ning mburi omahku, tak jenengi kebon buah.
This different word.
Yeah.
Also rice.
Rice,
Rice,
yeah.
yeah.
The thing is very important for them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because very detailed.
You know how we have many words for rain and snow? Banyak, how do you say words? Words.
Wow.
Words in Bahasa Indonesia.
Words.
How do I say in Bahasa Indonesia?
Yeah, Bahasa Indonesia maybe a lot of word adoption from Japanese language.
Yeah, yeah.
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 Also for ini bose juga tadi
Njaput isu iki mau. Karo jagung godhog iku.
ini meneng-meneng suke lho kayak Mas. Iya bos iki.
Amazing. Yeah. Look at how many fruits there are and rawit and jeruk nipis, avocado, mango.
Persis Suriname.
Yeah, yeah, exactly like Suriname. Also the way that the garden is made.
Ya. Lifestyle persis ya.
Yeah.
Bahasa asing iki waton ngomong wae mereka mesti ngerti paham karo karepe dhewe. Padha iki ngomong karo aku teng pecotot ya aku ya dong. Dadi rasa wedi-wedi. Dadi rasa wedi-wedi. Dadi nek kita belajar bahasa asing iki waton ngomong wae mereka mesti ngerti paham karo karepe dhewe. Padha iki ngomong karo aku teng pecotot ya aku ya dong. Dadi rasa wedi-wedi. 13,000 followers, not Indonesian people, only Suriname and Holland people. So for the market is very good.
Yeah.
So every month I can export to Suriname and to Holland. Kuwi Mas kuncine ning ngono. Dadi kowe piye carane gawe follower nek iso wong Suriname tok apa wong Holland tok. Ning aja nek ana Indonesia follow ditolak. Dadi followerku wong 13.000 wong Suriname wong Holland tok. Dadi aku posting iki rahasia iki.